Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Hanu Life Hacks. Here I am with an interesting topic yet again. This time I am going to talk about a popular web series. Money Heist, the top rated and most loved series in recent times, all the way from Spain. I first got the glimpse of this show a year back in my Netflix recommendations. It didn't excite me then. I mean, who thought people in Dali mask would create such impact as is now? Only during the recent lockdown, I binge watched all the 4 seasons. In fact, it was one of those blessings in disguise during the quarantine time. The show has garnered millions of fans worldwide. Credits to the lovable characters and perfect script. I'm so impressed with this series that I decided to make a video on it. I guess most of you have watched the show by now, but for those who didn't, no worries. Neither I'm going to talk about the content and spoilers, nor do I ask you people to plan a heist. I just wanted to discuss what we can grasp from the show and try to apply them in our lives. So, even if you have not watched the show or know nothing about it, just concentrate on the application part of the video. Here we go. Lesson 1. Planning like a master. The professor plans the heist in such a way that even the tiniest details are not missed. His vision and visualization is top notch. He made up a detailed plan not to miss any unwarranted roadblocks. Remember how the police are misled when he intentionally places things in the house? When he tricked them by removing the chip planted by Alicia? Basically, he had solutions for every problem. Of course, there are some mistakes, but he had capabilities to rectify them, like how the team members lose their calm at times and invited problems. Our man planned it like a pro to tackle every issue. In our day-to-day activities also, planning plays a key role. Starting from chores at house, to grocery list, to tasks at work, everything needs planning. Most successful people spend some time in planning before they actually jump into action. I recommend writing your goals and start executing as per your plan, because the more solid your plan is, the less problems you face in the future. So give a thought about planning, guys. Lesson 2. Obstacles cannot stop us. Can you recall how hard the lives of the gang are made by Spanish police? They used all tactics to pin the gang down. However, they didn't budge whatever the difficulty be. Remember, Professor tells Helsinki to destroy the car, but he didn't, right? That mistake could have become a hurdle for the gang if not overcome by the professor with his proactive thinking at the dump yard. He can yell at Helsinki, who missed burning the car, but instead focused on the main goal. In our lives too, we wanted to succeed in many things and always want to move forward. But we often give up when small problems arise. Some of us want to start working out. Some want to crack an exam or a job. Some want to become rich. Some want to enjoy life as it comes. But if we had a bad day, we keep on thinking about it over and over, which is of no use. Instead, rise and shine. Think about the countless opportunities before you. Remember, guys, a problem should not win over us. The win should always be ours. Lesson 3. Teamwork is the only hero. When Professor picked up Tokyo from the streets in the opening episode, none of us knew she would become one of the world's favorite hothead girls, right? I mean, who knew Nairobi could be an effective leader when crisis hits? Who knew Lisbon would switch sides and become an effective team player? And who knew Oslo, without uttering a word, becomes an integral part of the team loved by everybody? Please don't tell me the scriptwriters do. All these are envisaged by Sergio, our beloved professor. Most of us are brilliant and outstanding as an individual performer, but few of us could find it difficult to work in teams. If you are someone heading a team, think ahead and explore the possible conflicts that would arise. Plan ahead to resolve them. Bring togetherness in the team and make them feel important. If you are a team member, think of how to bring that cohesion in the team, considering the sensibilities of all members. Do not make other people feel less important. If there are some troublemakers, remember that any hard nut can be cracked. Just explore the possibilities. With this, the video has come to an end, friends. Actually, there are much more things that can be learned from Money Heist. I will definitely make another video as part 2. Remember all the points I told you and start applying in your life. I hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. Give a thumbs up if you like my video. Share it with your family and friends. Do let me know what you felt in the comment box. Also tell me if you would like a similar video on any other famous shows or movies. And finally, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye guys.